Hi, welcome back. Another important tip: how we can able to do mass rejections of line items in a single sales order. Okay, multiple sales items, or in a sales document for that matters. If you take, okay, if you see, this is the place where you can able to do this. Okay, and I'll show you. Before showing that, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. So I'm holding 500 plus videos up there. So I'll try to do few more in future. If you can able to see this, currently I'm holding 95 hours of SD my ECC course. This is one of my top course, and if you'd like to learn S4 HANA, if you don't have any basics introduction, you can try this. And SAP SD complete pricing concept, this is one of my top course, because pricing is the key wherever you work being an SD consultant. So for pricing I have this course, and I have that recap and advanced also here, and this course, and rebates one specific course is there. And when it comes to S4 HANA, I have different courses like intercompany sales and consignment sales and FSCM integration. This also, if you want, you can able to try here. Getting master to write functional specification. This is one of the key important course. Okay. If you're not introduced to real time, here I have provided a template you can download and you can try it irrespective of any module. I have given sample of SD to understand different sections, but FI, any function module, they can able to try it. And specifically, you can able to cover all your interview questions if you learn this properly related to idocs. You can try all these courses on your own. Now let's get into the topic. Okay, so let's create a sales order now. Let me check, it's expired. Let me relog in. So now let's go to VA01. Let's go to the sales order. So I'm just taking the same material. So for example, assume that all these are the materials. Suppose if you see this, I have already somewhere like 10 or 16 materials are there. 16 materials are there. I would like to, for example, if you have 999 materials are there like this. If you'd like to do this mass like 200 line items or 300 line items in real time, it is very difficult. Okay, for them to do the line by line reason for rejection, because it really happens, especially if you go retail and manufacturing. Sometimes they have more than 100 or 200 line items, each one by one. If you are taking, it is very difficult for them to, it is time consuming process. For example, if you have some 3 or 4 sales orders, this is fine. And I have already shown you one of my videos, mass sales orders, and by using mass also you can able to do this. And this is also direct way you can do it, though most of the times end users will use this one. So if I click here, it is asking reason for rejection. Okay, so too expensive. If I say, customer say too expensive, okay, now you can able to see this, everything got reflected. If I save this sales order, let me open to change mode, automatically you will have, okay, rejected. Later some point of time, like partially, suppose 200 line items are there. Okay, all these are the tips. You can reject this, and only 2 line items you want it, then you can release like this. Okay, so out of 500, only 3 or 5 or 10 you want it, then you can reject it, you can do it like this. Okay, this is how you can able to utilize your time consuming process not to get wasted at your end. Okay, this is how it happens. So if you're not yet subscribed, you can subscribe my channel and you will get more real-time tips from my side. That's it for today. All the best. Jai Hind.